Hello, welcome to our Java programming and our topic 7 Java type casting. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. And welcome back, guys, for our topic number 7 Java type casting. And here we go. So typecasting is when you assign a value of one primitive data type to another type. So we have, remember, we have eight data types, eight primitive data type. We have the byte, the short, the character, integer, long float, and double, 2, 4, 6, 7. The other one is a boolean, which is not part of this because that's not a number. So there are two types of casting. We have the widening casting, which is done automatically, and we also have the narrowing casting, which is we do it manually. So widening casting is converting a smaller type to a larger type size. For example, here, byte is the smallest of all, and we have to short, to car, to int, to long, to float, and to double. While in narrowing casting, we have the larger type, which is double, float, long, int, car, short, and byte. So this is just a reverse for the widening. So, okay, so this is our some the code for our this is the code for our widening casting. And as you can see here, we name our program as casting. Um, this is our class name, and we save it as casting.java, and we have this main method. Then we declare a variable myInt with a data type int, and the value is 9. And here we have the automatic, we have the, this one is the comment alongside with this particular declaration of variable my double. So we have double, my double equals my int. Therefore, the value of my int, which is 9, will now be placed in a variable my double. And here on this line, system.out.println my int. So we printed the value 9. So that's outputs 9 according to the comment. And this line, system.out.println my double outputs 9.0. Why 9.0? Because that is the data type is double. So let's try to run the program. Let's open our run.bat. This is our run.bat. If you were not able to change the setting for run.bat, you can edit that, and you are going to type the name of the program, which is casting.java, and run on this part the word casting, reading the class. So we already done that, and after that you can click the run.bat, and there you go. You have the value 9 and the value 9.0. So that is our the widening casting from small to bigger number. So let's proceed now to, let's try to make a comment here. As what we've mentioned before, comments are very important. Knowledge of comments is very important because you can off a certain part. Like this one, I put this one. This is a multi-line comment, and I will put here another line. Then I'm going to activate this part. I will put a comment here. This particular comment. So this particular lines of code is already a comment. So it will never work in our, it will not run. And this part, I will also put a comment for this particular description for narrowing casting. So, and I will delete, no? I will delete this part so that I can activate this particular line of code for the narrowing casting. So as a review, narrowing casting must be done manually by placing the type in parentheses in front of the value. So where is that? So here, this is the manual casting. So first we declare a double variable. The name is my double with a value of 10.99D. That's the symbol for double is 1. And then this is now the manual casting narrowing. So we have int, my int. So this is the data type, integer. This is our variable. And what we did here is that we copy the my double variable for our double, and we put these parentheses, no, int my double. So with that, the value of my double 10.99 will become an integer. So what happened in an integer is that it doesn't round up, round down like in mathematics. It just simply delete the numbers after the period. This one, the 0.99. So that's why here on this particular line of code, the output is 10. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I know we will try to run the program. So let's try to save. Let's try to save this one, and let's try to go back to our run.bat and click this one. Okay, so that's it. From 10.99, we cast it. That's downcast. What's the term? The term there is narrowing casting. Narrowing casting. So from a bigger number to a smaller number, and yeah, we have that particular output. So 10.99, it became now an integer. So thank you very much for um, watching our tutorial, and I hope you learned something today about narrowing casting and widening casting. So always remember, learning is lifetime. Bye everyone.